Follow me, I'm gonna show you where the NSC Copy Center is located. Unit 1, Lesson 2. What should I say to the Copy Center employee?
Здравствуйте! Мне нужно сделать копию всех страниц паспорта и копию миграционной карты. Repeat after me one more time. Здравствуйте! Мне нужно сделать копию всех страниц паспорта и копию миграционной карты. Hello. Goodbye.
It's time to make the registration. Take the copies of the passport and migration card that we've just made. Now, all you have to do is give your documents to the Office of International Relations, and within 3 days your registration will be ready.
Give me please your documents. Bye, have a nice day.